Hello beautiful people, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. So guys, today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. As you can see, I have already done my brows off camera, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. So guys, right now I've already done my brows and set the concealer. So here we are just going straight into the eyeshadow. So today we are doing a halo cut crease, glitter cut crease. So we are doing glitter eyes. We want those eyes to be popping. So here I'm taking my purple eyeshadow, just applying it to the eyes, spreading it around to make sure everything goes well and smooth. So I'm just going to be doing that, applying the purple eyeshadow. So guys, yeah, the purple eyeshadow wasn't giving me the purple that I wanted, because I wanted it to like pop more, but it wasn't. So I was just looking for a solution to make it pop the way I wanted. So I took my setting spray and sprayed it on the brush to make it work. It still didn't. So yeah, I just like remembered I was still putting it, trying, like giving myself hope that it was going to pop more the way I wanted it. It's not like it's not showing, it's showing, but not to my own taste or the way I wanted it to be. So yeah, what I did, so you guys can see, I was still looking at it. I wasn't getting the color I wanted. So yeah, what I did, I took my lipstick my lipstick that was also pink, purple, sorry, and added it to it. And once I did that, boom, I got what I wanted. So as you guys can see, I just applied it, and you can see I was okay. My face was beginning to brighten up, so I loved it. So you guys, this one is one hack that you need to know, that if you need a eyeshadow and maybe you don't have the color but you have the color of the lipstick, you can use the lipstick and just flow with it. Ain't nobody coming to judge you. Why did you use this? Why did you use that? No. So yeah, I was just cutting the crease, because today we are doing the halo crease, so we're only going to cut the center, as you can see. So we're cutting that right now. So guys, after cutting the crease, just went ahead to set that concealer so that your glitter can stick more. And depends on the kind of glitter that you have. If you have like a dry glitter, then you can add glue. After the concealer, you can add glue to your eyes before adding the glitter. But the glitter I had is like form of wet already, so when you put it, it's just stick on it like that. So guys, yeah, I'm about to add the glitter to the eyes. So yeah, the colors, but we are just going to take this glitter that looks like form of purple, but it's like purple and golden at the same time. So I'm just going to take that and stamp it all around the place that we cut. So as you guys can see, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing right here. I loved it when I was doing this. I loved it. And you guys can try this look out. You will definitely love it. Try it out. You'll love it. So guys, I'm applying the glitter. So after this glitter, then I did the, after doing my eyes, then I took this eyelash glue. This glue, sometimes brushes come with it, but this particular one did not come with brush, so I had to use my little brush that I have. And what you do is just apply it directly to your eyes, like I'm doing here. This one also is another hack for you guys. So apply it directly to your eyes. If you apply it directly to your eyes, all you need to do, as you can see now, the glue is white. So you have to wait for like 2 minutes. When it finally turns clear, like you can't see it anymore, it's still there but you can't see it, it will no longer be white. What you just do is take your lashes and apply it. Boom, it's on there. No matter the wind, no matter the breeze of that day, your lashes ain't going nowhere. So guys, this is what I'm doing right here. Just applying this, applying it to the eyes. Make sure you get every corner. Even when you overdo the glue, don't be afraid that maybe it's too much or it's not too much, because the glue now is white, it will definitely turn clear. That is when you're looking at it, it's as if nothing is there. It's as if nothing is there, but there is glue there. So now we are just going to jump right into the face. While we are doing the face, we are also waiting for our glue to dry up so we can pop on our lashes. So yeah, I'm just cleaning my face now, adding the primer. Those that have oily skin, primer is so good. You need to find the one that benefits your skin so much. That's the one that you're going to use. So I have oil mostly at my nose, at my T-zone, my nose area. That's where I normally have oil. Like applying the makeup, 2 seconds, boom, the oil starts popping. But when you use a primer, like a mattifying primer, it helps a lot, goes a long way with your makeup, makes your makeup last so much. So yeah, I'm applying my foundation. So after blending in my foundation, yeah, I added my concealer. So I'm just going to blend out that concealer. I'm going to blend that, blend it, blend. Blending it out. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment. I want to see your comment on what you want me to do next. Like, come on, we are one family, so you guys need to tell me you want this, and I will definitely, who am I to say no? I will definitely respond to your request. That's why I'm here for you guys. So guys, after blending our concealer, what we are going to do now is going to add our bronzer to our cheek. Going to add our bronzer. We're taking the darker color that is right there and just going to apply it right there. You guys can see the difference. What this does is that makes your face look slimmer, gives you that V face. So that's what we are doing now, just adding it. So adding it around our forehead. So the bronzer makes your face look smaller. So the bronzer makes your face look smaller, while the concealer you added under your eyes and the rest of the place make your face pop more. That's why you need to use a concealer that is 2 times lighter than your real skin color. So now we are going to set our under eyes. We are going to set our concealer. Oh, that powder. So guys, here as you can see, I'm adding in the powder. Adding in the powder, guys, just to set everything. So guys, this powder I'm using, if you want to get it, you can get it from Amazon, and the powder is really good. It's really good. Like, I never expected it that it's going to be this good, but I've used it for up to 3 times now, and I really love it. It's good. It's really good. It's a banana loose powder. It's a translucent banana loose powder. So now we're just going to dust off the excess. Dust it off. So yeah guys, we're just dusting it off and everything, so that everything fall in place. So yeah guys, I already added my lashes and set my face. So yeah, we're just going to do our under eye with this black pencil. Doing our under eyes with that black pencil. So guys, what we are doing now, we're just going to add up our highlighter. I got this highlighter from Kiko. It's really good, guys. For those of you that have Kiko around you, it's really good. The scent, the smell of it is really nice. It's like a perfume. I don't know if I can say that, but the scent is really good. Really good, and it gives you that glow that you are dying to have. So guys, we're just going to add some highlighter to our lips and then onto our nose. Going to add that to the nose, on the bridge of our nose, to make that pop out very nicely. And the under of our brows also. So now guys, we're just going to set our face. I told you guys before that I love setting my face, so we're just going to put that in for everything to set. Now we're going for our lips. First we're going to use this purple lip liner. I also got this from Kiko. It's very cheap. I also got this from Kiko. So we're just going to use this first to line our lips. We're lining our lips, guys. As you can see, we're lining our lips. So after lining our lips here, I'm going to take the purple lipstick that I also use for my eyes. Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge. If you use this, nobody's going to know what you use. What you have, you use it to get what you want. So that was what I did. Added the purple lipstick around. Then now we are going in with this nude lipstick. Guys, I love ombre lips, like having ombre lips. if I'm doing the red lips, I must put a nude or anything just to give it that ombre look, because that fits me. I feel like that brings out the beauty of my face very much. So guys, after all that, we're just going to use the concealer to clean up our under lips to make everything be in place. Yep. Hey, I was feeling myself, yeah, because this came out really good. So yeah, we're just taking this black eyeliner and put this some dots on the face. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Leave your comments down below. Peace. Love you all.